Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I am Simon Cachuela. I live in Katipunan, Tapas, Capiz, from Philippines. I am 30 years old. I am single, never been married, and have no kids. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong, year 2022 to 2024. I serve 5 people, 2 adults, and 3 children, aging 14 years old and 12 years old. The 12 is twin. My main duties and responsibilities are keep the children always safe, preparing their food, helping their homeworks, and doing some educational activities, and taking them to their school activities outdoors and their summer classes. When the children are at school, I'll do household chores like cleaning the house, wash the dishes, washing clothes, and cooking, and send them their food for lunch one by one. And also, I'll do marketing and grocery shopping. I am fast learner. I am honest, trustworthy, flexible, and eager to learn more. I hope that you will consider me as your nanny, because I know that I will do my best to take care of them and love them as my own. I can assure you that you can count me in every situation. I hope that you will give me a chance to be part of your family, and I'm very excited to meet you soon and your family. Thank you and God bless. Bye!